Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2018 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, traction control, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.